Hi friends, welcome to the course Hands-on Machine Learning with Python. In our previous sessions, we have learned about Python data types. In Python data types, we learned about numbers, string, list, and tuple. In today's session, we will learn about dictionary. Let's open Google Colab to have hands-on. So, Python dictionary is an ordered set of a key-value pair. So, if you remember, in list or tuple, we were storing a list of values in comma-separated form. But if we want to store a list of key-value pair, we will use dictionary. In dictionary, the items are stored in comma-separated way and we enclose the items in curly braces. So if you remember, in list we were storing the items in comma-separated way in square braces. Similarly, in tuple we were using small braces. Here we will store the values in curly braces the same way we were storing in list or tuple. So let's see this example. In this example, we will create a dictionary containing 4 values with keys 1, 2, 3 and 4 and corresponding values Jimmy, Alex, John and Mike. So let's press Shift Enter and we have created the dictionary D, which has a map of key and value where key is 1, corresponding value is Jimmy, key is 2, corresponding value is Alex, key is 3, corresponding value is John, key is 4, corresponding value is Mike. So if we want to print the name or the value in key 1. So, to access the value of any particular key, we will type the dictionary name. So, in our case, D is the dictionary name and in curly braces, in square braces, we pass the key. Let's press Shift Enter. So, it says first name is Jimmy. Similarly, if I want to access, say, the name with key 3. So it says, so we are accessing the name with key 3. So let's change the print name with key 3 is John. So the name containing key 3 is John. If we print the complete dictionary, we see the same values. Key 1 containing Jimmy, 2 containing Alex, 3 containing John, and 4 containing Mike. If we want to print only keys from the dictionary, we can use d.keys. So it says the dictionary keys are 1, 2, 3 and 4. The keys need not be in same order or a sequential number. It can be anything like say, it can be say 1003. So let's recreate this. And now if I print the keys, it will print 1003, 2, 3 and 4. Now, if I want to print only values of the dictionary, I can use d.values. So, it has printed the dictionary values Jimmy, Alex, John and Mike. Now, I want to change the dictionary value with key 2 to Sudesh. So presently at the value with key 2 is Alex. So I want to replace the value with Sudesh. So I'll type D square braces 2 equal to Sudesh. So it has executed. Now if I print D, we see it has replaced the value of key 2 with Sudesh. So dictionaries are very useful when we want to have our data in key value pairs. Thank you.